to learn how to create a quiz using Google Forms. So let's get started by selecting the waffle on your Google Workspace and then from there choosing Google Forms. Now you're going to name the quiz. Go to this section here and type in test quiz and your last name. To make this a scored quiz, you're going to click settings and then a box will open and you're going to toggle the button make this a quiz. Then you're going to create your first question, which is open response. You're going to choose short answer, and for the question you're going to write name. You're going to award this 0 points and be sure that it is required. Now time to make a multiple choice. Select multiple choice, type your question, and provide 4 different options. Make sure it's required, but this time go to answer key. Choose what the correct answer is and give it 1 point. Finally, you're going to publish. Click the purple icon and choose anyone with link can view. And then publish again, and you are done. Now you're ready, and I can't wait to see your own submissions.